Halo, good morning Kak Rispa. Good morning. Can you hear my voice? Hello, good morning. How are you? Can you hear my voice? I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you actually. Saya nggak bisa dengar, Rispa.
Hello, Miss.
Okay. All right, so today let's start with looking at our lesson plan. I will show you the timetable here. Today we are entering our third meeting, which is 21st of March, and we are going to talk about daily routine, talking about daily routine. And yesterday we finished the material about introduction. Now we start learning our first grammar. Jadi kemarin kita sudah selesaikan materi introduction. Nah, sekarang kita masuk ke materi grammar pertama kita. Tata bahasa pertama kita itu simple present tense. Nah, sebelum masuk ke simple present tense, Miss mau ajarin dulu untuk daily routine. Kenapa? Karena simple present tense itu basically talking about the daily habit, kebiasaan sehari-hari, gitu. Jadi kita akan lihat materinya di sini, yaitu tentang daily routines. And before we start our lesson, let's start saying our slogan. You can read here, English fit. No more theories, let's practice. English fit. No more theories. Let's say together.
No more fails.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And okay, this is your assignment letter after we finish the lesson. Ini adalah tugasnya nanti setelah kita selesai pelajarannya ya, yaitu berbicara tentang rutinitas pagi, siang, malam. Begitu. And then I want to introduce you to the adverbs of frequency. What is adverbs of frequency? Kata keterangan frekuensi. Apa itu? Used to say how often we do something. Have any specific words for every percentage like this, but they do have some words like tidak pernah, kadang-kadang, biasanya, selalu ada. Tapi mereka spesifik berapa persen tingkatnya. But in English, they have very specific word for the percentage for every adverbs of frequency. Mereka punya setiap persentasenya itu ada sebutannya masing-masing. Could you help me to read the bold one right here? This one. For example, I always drink lots of water. Like that. Always, selalu, I always drink lots of water. Could you please read that for me?
Always. I always drink a lot of water.
And then here,
Usually, I usually drive to work. Normally or generally, I normally swim after work. Often or frequently, I often go out for dinner. Sometimes I sometimes play tennis on the weekend. Occasionally, I occasionally eat Japanese food. Hardly ever, hardly ever eat Korean or almost never. I rarely go sailing. Never, I never go out dancing.
okay, good job. This one, hardly ever, not hardly ever bacanya.
Hardly
Okay,
never.
so You have to memorize all of these new vocabularies because later we will use it really often. Harus dihafalkan untuk yang di bagian sini karena nanti kita akan banyak menggunakan kata-kata tersebut. Nah, nanti misalkan sudah belajar banyak tenses gitu ya. Nah, itu selalu diingat bahwa kalimat yang menggunakan vocabulary ini adalah simple present tense. So this is kind of a signal, adalah sinyalnya bahwa ini adalah sebuah kebiasaan yang menunjukkan simple present tense. This is always, usually, normally or generally, often, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, hardly ever, rarely or almost never, and never. Okay, and then these are some daily activities. Try to read it one by one and translate it. So I will give you the example. Have dinner, makan malam, go to bed, blah, 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 blah. Please continue one by one until here. Kak Rispa, can you help me to read the vocabularies one by one? Bisa bantu baca satu persatu lalu diterjemahkan. Kalau misalnya nggak ngerti, nggak apa-apa. I will help you to translate it.
Have dinner, makan malam,
Yes, that's correct.
to bed, pergi ke kamar tidur, pergi tidur,
Yes, pergi tidur. Go to bed is go to sleep. Pergi tidur.
bangun,
Yes, continue until I stop you.
to school, pergi ke sekolah, to
Okay.
homework, mengerjakan PR,
Mhm.
to work, pergi kerja, brush your teeth, sikat gigi, have
Mhm.
lunch, makan siang, I wake up, saya bangun,
And then?
my alarm, saya makan alarm,
Mhm.
I take a shower, saya I have a shower, saya juga mandi,
Okay.
I get dressed, saya berpakaian, I comb my hair, saya merapikan rambut, I make
Okay, and then?
breakfast, saya membuat makan pagi,
Mhm.
at breakfast, saya makan pagi,
Mhm.
I eat breakfast, saya makan sarapan, I start work at 9, saya kerja jam 9,
Ya,
I
betul.
answer email, saya menjawab email, I work on my computer, saya bekerja di komputer, I finish work at 1, saya selesai bekerja jam 5, I arrive home, saya pergi ke rumah, I feed the dog, I don't know,
I feed the dog, which means you give food to your pet. Kasih makan ke peliharaan. Kasih makan ke anjing.
I cook dinner, saya memasak makan malam, I eat dinner, saya makan malam, I have dinner, saya makan malam juga, I watch TV, saya menonton TV, I read book, saya membaca buku, I go to bed, saya pergi tidur, I fall asleep, saya pergi tidur juga.
Yeah, okay. Good job. I want to ask you, what is the difference between get up and wake up? Do you know what's the difference between get up and wake up?
I don't know.
Okay, get up means you go down from bed and standing. Wake up means you open your eyes after sleeping. So that's different. Wake up itu bangun, bangun dari tidur tapi masih rebahan. Kalau get up itu dari tidur ke duduk terus pergi. Itu get up. Okay, that's for daily routines and activities. And actually, I want to show you more from here, the vocabularies that may help you. Wait for a moment. Okay, here it is. Just read the English word and then look at the picture. The picture is the translation. If you don't understand what is the picture, just ask me. Read it one by one.
Go off, off, get up, take a shower, then put, put on makeup, get wash it, dry hair, iron a shirt, get dressed, brush teeth, wash face, brush, make bed, have breakfast, do housework, leave house, go to work, go to school, catch the train, catch the bus, drive, arrive late, at work, take a break, have coffee, have lunch, finish work, leave work, work overtime, go home, buy groceries, make dinner, have dinner, clear the table, listen to music, watch TV, check email, do the dishes, walk the dog, read the news, go out, go to a cafe, call a friend, do homework, put children to bed, take a trash, feed the dog, go to bed.
Okay, thank you. I think that's the vocabulary that you will need for talking about daily routines. Now, I will show you some of the questions you may get when talking about daily routines from these topics. Jadi setelah ini kita akan bahas pertanyaan-pertanyaan apa yang sekiranya akan muncul ketika kita membahas rutinitas sehari-hari. Nah, di sini ada beberapa pertanyaan. Kita akan coba untuk jawab satu persatu, starting from the topic of food. Saya pindahin ke Microsoft Word dulu sebentar. Okay, now let's start discussing about food. Kita coba diskusikan tentang makanan. Nah, untuk makanan, describe your eating routines, rutinitas makan. You should cover this question. Kamu harus menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan berikut. Boleh coba dijawab, boleh coba dibaca Kak untuk pertanyaan A until D and translate it. Silahkan coba dibaca satu persatu, kemudian diterjemahkan juga untuk poin A sampai poin D.
Okay. What food do you like to eat for your lunch? Apa makanan yang kamu suka untuk dimakan makan siang? Where do you usually have your lunch? Di mana kamu biasanya makan siangmu? Do you enjoy it alone? Apakah kamu senang makan sendiri? Kenapa? Do you always eat fast food? Why? Apakah kamu selalu makan makanan cepat saji.
Okay,
Kenapa?
that's good. Yeah, that's good. Now let's try to answer those questions. Let's try to answer those questions. I will give you one example. For example, what food do you like to eat for your lunch? You can answer, I like to eat blah 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 for my lunch. Where do you usually have your lunch? I have my lunch at home. Sorry. I have my lunch at home because my because I have online classes. Do you enjoy eating alone? I have to explain to you anything that start with do like this. That's a yes or no question. So you can only answer by two options, which is yes, I do, or no, I do not. So if someone asks you, do you like ice cream? You can only say yes, I do, or no, I do not. And then later tell why. No, I do not like ice cream. Why? I don't like it because it's cold. Like that. Okay, try to help me answering A until D.
What food do you like to eat for your lunch? I like
Sorry, can you please repeat your answer?
what food do you like to eat for your lunch? I like
Yes.
I like uh, rice, rice
What do
and
you eat for
egg
your lunch?
for my rice,
Can you please
rice
spell it letter
and
by letter?
R I C E rice.
Rice? Rice? Do you mean rice? Nasi kah? Atau apa?
Yeah, rice nasi.
Ya, nasi. Nasi sama apa? Masa nasi aja?
And egg
Nasi dan apa? Lauknya chicken.
and
Sorry Kak, saya nggak bisa kedengaran.
telur kan
Yes.
telur rebus.
Telur rebus. Boiled egg. I like
Boiled
to eat rice and boiled egg like this.
yes.
Yeah, like this.
I like to eat rice. Yes.
Ah, okay. Why do you like boiled egg?
Um,
Kenapa suka telur rebus, Kak?
because boiled egg. I like boiled egg because
I like boiled egg because it's healthy.
yes,
Because it's healthy and yummy.
yummy. Uh-uh.
Oh,
Delicious.
okay. Do you often eat boiled egg? Apakah sering makan telur rebus?
Yes, I do.
Ah, okay. Yes, I do. Okay, that's great. Let's continue with second question. Where do you usually have your lunch? Biasanya makan siang di mana, Kak?
In in pantry office pantry.
Oh, okay. You can say at office
At
pantry.
office at pantry.
Okay. I want to ask you, when do you usually have your lunch? Kapan biasanya makan siang? Jam berapa?
at 12 a.m.
AM? You sure AM?
and
PM. Yeah, that's correct. At 12 PM. 12 siang. Kalau 12 AM itu 12 malam, Kak. Yeah. Let's go to point number 3. Sorry, point C. Do you enjoy eating alone and why?
no, I do not
No, I do not. Why?
because eating alone because
Because eating alone. Because I like to have a small talk with my friend. You can say like that. Karena saya suka ngobrol. Gitu boleh. Atau
because
apa? Kenapa nggak suka makan sendiri?
ya karena kayak tadi Kak bilang itu.
Oh, sukanya ngobrol. Because I like to have a small talk with my coworkers. Rekan kerja. Can you please repeat the whole sentence?
Sorry, Miss. Belum muncul, bentar.
Oh iya.
No, I don't. No, I do not because I like to have a small talk with my coworkers. Okay.
Okay, that's good. And then D. Do you always eat fast food?
No, I do not because not good for my health.
Because? No or yes? I'm sorry.
No, no,
No?
I do not.
No. Okay. No, I do
Yes.
not. Why? Why don't you? Because it's unhealthy. Nggak sehat. Atau because it is expensive.
Not good for my health.
Yeah, I agree with you because it is not good for my health. Yeah, I agree with you. Saya setuju. Nggak sehat untuk kesehatan. Do you think, wait, let me write it. Do you think fast food is more delicious than healthy food? Do you think fast food is more delicious than healthy food?
Um, I think so, but fast food not good for my
Okay.
health.
So, yes, yeah. Fast food is more delicious. Lebih enak ya. Yes, I do. Fast food is more delicious, but um, fast food is more delicious, but not good for health. Okay, and I have another question for you. Do you think fast food is more expensive than healthy food? Apakah makanan cepat saji itu lebih mahal daripada makanan sehat?
Hmm, I do.
Yes, I do. You should say yes first. Yes, I do. Why? Kenapa?
Fast food more expensive than healthy food because apa?
Kayaknya karena itu nggak sih? Karena dia brand luar nggak sih? Tapi kalau makanan yang kayak crispy chicken from local restaurant, I think it's cheaper. Kayak
Iya,
ayam olive
benar.
atau apa, ayam CFC itu kan lebih murah nggak sih?
Ya, baru.
Oke, oke. Ya. Fast food is generally more expensive. But local fast food is cheaper. You can say like this. Fast food is generally more expensive than healthy food. Secara garis besar, makanan cepat saji itu lebih mahal daripada makanan sehat. Tapi makanan cepat saji lokal itu lebih murah. Okay, good job. Now let's continue with the second topic about holiday. I want you to answer all of these questions. Can you help me to read and answer question A?
How do you always spend your holiday?
Mhm.
Bagaimana kamu selalu meluangkan untuk spend your holiday? Bagaimana kamu selalu menikmati liburan kamu?
Ya, menghabiskan liburanmu. Pergi ke luar negeri, hangout sama teman, tidur-tiduran di rumah, atau apa?
Tidur-tiduran di rumah.
Okay, I also do that on this long weekend. I like to lie down. Sorry, salah. Lay down. Lay down. I like to take a rest at home. I like to take a rest at home and scroll TikTok. Is that true?
So,
And scrolling social media. Do you watch Netflix? Do you watch Netflix? Nonton Netflix? Nonton film, suka nonton film? Okay, let's continue with question B. What do you do on your holiday?
apa yang kamu lakukan?
Mm-mm.
What do you do on your holiday?
Yeah, while you resting down on your bed, what do you do? Saat goler-goleran di kasur itu ngapain? Scroll TikTok atau gambar-gambar atau suka make up?
What do you do on your holiday? I like staying on
Biasanya sukanya apa, Kak? Pakai bahasa Indonesia dulu nggak apa-apa.
Kalau TikTok ya pasti. Selain itu nyanyi-nyanyi.
Selain itu,
Nyanyi-nyanyi.
sorry,
Hmm.
selain TikTok apa, Kak?
Bernyanyi.
Menyanyi.
Ya.
Oh, oke. Kayak karaoke gitu kah di rumah?
Iya.
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 Oh, oke. Okay, that's really nice. I like to scroll TikTok and have a home karaoke. With yourself or you invite your friend? Do you
Sendiri.
do it with yourself or inviting a friend to come over? Sendirian atau undang teman?
Sendirian.
Oh, okay. Okay. Number C. How often do you get your holiday? Seberapa sering liburan?
Kalau sering, Sabtu Minggu saya libur.
Sabtu Minggu. Okay. I have day off on weekends. What about holiday like Eid Mubarak, like this Eid Mubarak long holiday? Christmas?
Christmas,
Do you have holiday on Christmas?
yes, I have, but at Mubarak, I don't have holiday.
Oh, okay. So basically you just have day off on weekends. Yang penting Sabtu Minggu liburnya. Sama tanggal merah ya? Tanggal merah.
Dan holidays, Hindu dan
Oh, okay. And national holidays. I also have holiday. I also have day off for religion holiday. Religion holiday ya, Kak? Liburan agama. Libur agama. Hello, can you hear me?
menurut
Ya. I have day
Ah,
off
sorry,
on weekends
putus
and
lah.
national. Oh, nggak apa-apa, Kak. Sekarang apakah sudah bisa kedengeran?
Udah, Miss, tapi dia belum muncul lagi.
Oh, oke. Saya coba share screen ulang ya. Kalau saya matikan kamera saya nggak apa-apa, Kak? Biar lebih gampang rendernya.
Oke, Miss, nggak apa-apa.
Oke. Share screen saya sudah muncul.
Sebentar ya, Miss. Masih belum.
Masih belum. Kayaknya sinyal kakak nggak kuat ngerendernya. Sebentar, saya coba lagi. Sudah muncul? Kalau sudah muncul, kasih tahu ya, Kak.
Belum.
Belum. Kita gimana belajarnya? Sebentar. Lagi, oke. Sekarang masih loading ya? Sudah? Sudah ada?
Belum.
Oke. Tadi saya tanya, how often do you get your holiday? Seberapa sering kamu dapat liburan? Nah, saya bilang, I have day off on weekends and national holidays. Saya dapat libur di akhir pekan dan libur negara atau yang tanggal merah itu ya.
Ya,
Nah, ini sekarang apakah udah kelihatan saya ketik sesuatu di depan?
sampai nomor nomor C aja Miss kelihatan.
Oh
Nomor
ya,
D belum
benar-benar.
ada.
Ya,
Ya,
memang. Oke. Help me to read number C answers.
I have day off on weekend and national holiday. I also have
Oke.
day off for religion holiday.
Oke. Lalu yang terakhir, whom do you spend your holiday with?
Dan siapa kamu?
Whom itu dengan siapa?
Mix sih sebenarnya.
Sendiri atau sama keluarga?
Kemarin untuk diri sendiri dan keluarga. Lebih sering diri sendiri.
Oh, oke. Jadi tidur-tiduran tapi sendirian. Oke, oke. I also do the same. That's fine, that's fine. I spend my holiday with myself. Oh, I want to ask you a question. Do you live together with your family?
Yes, but my
Yes.
family sibuk dan
Yes. Tapi,
but my family
but my family?
so basic.
Sorry, what is that?
Ya, sibuk.
Bahasa Indonesianya gimana, Kak?
Sibuk, Miss. Sibuk.
Oh,
Basic.
sibuk. Oke, oke. But my family is super busy. Okay. All right, that's about holiday. Now let's continue with the topic of music and study. Kita lanjut ke topik musik dan topik belajar. Sorry. Music. Could you help me to read the questions and answering it one by one?
Ya. What music genre do you usually listen to?
Mhm.
Apa genre musik yang biasanya kamu dengar? Pop sih.
Apa?
I'm pop.
What kind of music do you like?
Pop. Korean pop.
Can you please repeat that slowly? I'm so sorry, the signal is unstable.
Genre pop.
Genre
Pop
pop. Oh,
music.
pop genre. Okay. Pop music. This one?
Yes.
Okay.
So you listen.
Indonesian pop music, Japanese, Korean, Thailand. Which one?
Of course, Korean.
Korean. Okay, I also listen to Korean. Korean pop music. Why do you like that music genre? Kenapa suka?
Asik karena asik.
Karena asik. Asik.
Ya.
Asik itu gimana? Spesifiknya karena dia enak didengar kah atau sesuai dengan mood kita?
Karena lagunya bagus gitu aja sih sebenarnya.
Oh, I like it because the song is fun. Saya suka karena lagunya menyenangkan, asik, mengasihkan. Okay, okay. And how often do you listen to that music?
How often do you listen to the
Seberapa sering mendengarkan musik tersebut?
setiap hari? Maybe
Every day?
every day.
Every day. All right. I'll listen to K-pop every day. What is your favorite song?
My favorite song. My favorite song. Apa ya? Apa ya namanya?
What is your favorite song?
Akhir-akhir ini championnya Blackpink.
Apa?
Kedengeran?
Enggak, Kak. Suara Kakak putus-putus di saya. Gambarnya Kakak pun enggak
Suara
jelas di saya, putus-putus.
akhir-akhir ini saya dengar lagunya Blackpink yang Champion.
Oh, oke. Lagunya Blackpink yang apa?
Champion.
Champion. Oh, oke. Recently itu akhir-akhir ini ya. I listen to Champion by Blackpink. Like this?
Wait,
Oh, okay. Are you a fan of Blackpink?
Blackpink ya.
Why do you say
Semua
I think? Nggak yakin.
banyak saya suka sebenarnya.
Oh, okay. Do you have any favorite group? Apakah punya grup favorit?
Seventeen nih.
No?
Um,
Apa punya grup favorit, Kak?
Ya,
Yes. What's your favorite
yes,
group?
I have.
Yes, I do. My favorite group is 17.
What?
Is there 17? This one?
Belum muncul di
Sorry, Kak, putus-putus.
muncul Mas, di layarnya.
Oke, sebentar ya. Saya coba untuk share screen lagi. Grup kesukaannya tadi Seventeen atau apa?
Seventeen.
Yeah, that's correct, right? 17. Carat, right?
Ya,
Oh, okay, okay. And then another question. Who is your favorite idol?
Who is your favorite idol? Hmm, my favorite idol is Jisoo Blackpink
Ah,
or
is
fandom.
Lisa Blackpink. Why do you like her? Is she pretty?
Jisoo or
Or Jisoo? Jisoo Blackpink.
yeah, Jisoo
Why do you like them?
because she is and pretty and it's funny.
Funny? Lucu?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, because she's pretty and funny. Okay, that's good. Continue number. The last question. Why do you like this song? Why do you like Blackpink song?
oh, what do you like Blackpink's song? Sebenarnya karena genrenya itu
I like Blackpink song karena
songs
karena sesuai dengan mood saya atau karena penyanyinya cantik.
sering sekali lagu yang enak-enak aja mas kalau enak udah gitu kalau gitu
Oh, okay,
yang
because
macam
maybe you can say easy to listen, mudah untuk didengarkan. Jadi kayak
ya
gampang
benar benar
diingat.
benar Mm-mm.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I understand it. Blackpink song always easy to listen. I like Blackpink song because it's easy to listen. Okay, please read from here to here, only the English word.
Okay. I usually listen to Korean pop music. I like it because the song is fun. I listen to K-pop every day. Recently, I listened to Champion by Blackpink. Are you a fan of Blackpink? I think yes. Why? Do you have any favorite group? Yes, I do. My favorite group is Seventeen. Who is favorite? My favorite idol is Lisa Jisoo Blackpink. Why do you like them? Because she is pretty and funny. I like Blackpink
Okay,
song because it's easy to listen.
okay, good job. That's about music. Now you can tell a story about your favorite music. Sekarang udah bisa ya cara membicarakan suka lagu apa. Sekarang kita lanjut ke kebiasaan belajar, study. Describe your study routines. You should cover these questions. Yang pertama, kita mulai dari what do you study? Apa yang kamu pelajari? Your major. I remember that you are a student, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your major? Major itu jurusannya, Kak.
Accounting, Miss.
Accounting. Okay. I study accounting. How long do you study and how often? Seberapa sering kelasnya, Kak? Atau seberapa lama?
Biasanya 2-3 bulan.
Eh, satu semester maksudnya?
Iya, 1 semester 2-3 bulan. Selesainya
Oh,
ujian libur.
Oh, liburnya jadi banyak ya?
Nah, saya dari Desember sampai April nih nanti.
Oh, oke, I just knew it. Enak juga ya. One semester consists of 3 months. Do you have classes
Ya,
every day? Do you have classes every day?
no,
No?
yes.
No or yes?
Eh, sebenarnya gimana ya jadinya?
Hmm?
Halo?
Do you have, yeah, yeah. Do you have classes every day?
Untuk
Ya.
sekarang,
Enggak, maksudnya biasanya.
biasanya iya,
Oh, I usually have classes online ya, Kak?
iya online.
Oh, okay, okay. One semester consists of 3 months. I usually have online classes every day. Tapi sekarang lagi libur ya.
Iya, libur. But today is
Today
a
is a day of,
holiday, a day off.
atau because Eid Mubarak. Today is Eid Mubarak, which is Lebaran.
Iya.
Okay, and how do you usually study? Gimana biasanya belajarnya? Suka sambil di kafe, atau sambil nyanyi-nyanyi, atau sambil mendengarkan lagunya Blackpink?
Nyanyi-nyanyi sih, dengerin musik,
Sambil nyanyi-nyanyi. Oke.
study while singing.
Ya, like that. Emang bisa fokus kalau belajar sambil nyanyi, Kak?
Fokus aja lagi mumet nyanyi.
Okay. I like to study. Mungkin while listening to music when I feel stressed,
Feel
I like
stress
to sing the song.
to sing song.
Saya suka suka belajar sambil dengerin musik ketika saya stres, saya menyanyikan lagu. Like that?
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Actually, I have a question. Do you have a teamwork assignment? Tugas
Do you
berkelompok
have
ada
a
nggak, Kak?
teamwork assignment? Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. And how do you gather with your friend online?
With WhatsApp.
Oh, okay. I gather with them by WhatsApp.
By WhatsApp.
Do you have many university friends?
Yes, I do.
And just that?
But uh, mm,
Okay. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. What about number D?
do you like studying alone or with a teacher? Mm, with a teacher sih, Miss.
Oh, why?
Kalau sendiri nggak enak sebenarnya memahami sendiri.
Karena nggak tahu gitu mau dipelajari apa.
Eh, kenapa?
Karena nggak paham sama materinya, kah?
Iya.
Oh, okay. Because I find it difficult to understand the lesson by myself. Karena saya merasa kesulitan untuk memahami pelajaran sendiri. And then E, question E.
Do you like online study or offline study? Offline study sih.
Offline. Why do you
Iya,
take the universitas terbuka then if you like offline study?
sekarang saya miss online study itu nggak enak miss.
Oh,
Sinyal
okay,
perkara
okay.
sinyal pastinya.
Ah, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think that's also the problem. If sometimes when I teach online classes and there's a heavy rain in my place, I really hate the signal. It's unstable. Saya juga nggak suka
Iya.
kalau online class itu terganggu sama sinyalnya ya. I prefer on offline study because online study have many issues
Ini
such as
isu.
atau many problems saja deh, many problems such as unstable signal for isolated area. Karena belajar online. Selain itu ada lagi nggak Kak masalah lainnya?
Masalah online itu aja sih. Yang sesuai, yang kayak yang D itu memahami pelajaran itu susah.
Oh, oke oke. Area terpencil. And it is harder for me to understand the teacher ini. Dan lebih susah untukku memahami gurunya. Gitu ya.
Iya.
Okay, can you please help me to read the sentence?
I prefer offline study because online study have many problems such as unstable signal for isolated area and it is harder for me to understand the teacher.
Okay, good job. Yeah, that's talking about study. And help me to read from A to D only the English sentences.
I study accounting. One semester consists of 3 months. I usually have online classes every day, but today is a day off because Eid Mubarak. I like to study while listening to music. When I feel stressed, I like to sing a song. Do you have a teamwork assignment? Yes, I do. How do you gather with your friend online? I gather with them by WhatsApp. Do you have many university friends? Yes, I do. I like to study with a teacher because I find it difficult to understand the lesson by myself. I prefer online offline study because online study have many problems such as unstable signal for insulated area and it is harder for me to understand the teacher.
Okay, good job. Now you can tell me a story about your study routine. Sekarang bisa cerita tentang kebiasaan belajarnya. Oh, I also want to ask you, ini sudah tahun keberapa Kak kuliahnya? Tahun kedua ya kalau nggak salah.
Ya, tahun kedua.
Nah, for tahun kedua kita bisa bilang I am a sophomore student. Udah pernah saya ajari belum ya?
Sophomore pernah dapat di awal.
Oh ya ya. Nah itu, I'm a sophomore student of accounting at Universitas Terbuka. Saya mahasiswa tahun kedua di akuntansi Universitas Terbuka. Gitu. Okay. I think that's all that we can do today. Is there anything that you want to ask before we end this meeting? Apakah ada hal yang mau ditanyakan, Kak, sebelum kita tutup kelasnya?
Em, Gimana caranya biar gampang menjelaskan sesuatu gitu, Miss?
Oh, oke, oke. Caranya adalah dalam bahasa Inggris
Tebak-tebakan.
atau dalam bahasa Indonesia, Kak?
Keduanya deh.
Keduanya. Kalau mau menjawab suatu pertanyaan, coba cari hal paling mudah untuk dijelaskan. Kalau dalam bahasa Inggris, kelas bahasa Inggris ya, itu kita nggak perlu kejujuranmu. Kakak mau bohong juga nggak apa-apa. Karena yang dinilai adalah kemampuan berbahasanya. Jadi misalkan saya tanya, do you like to eat fast food? Apakah kamu suka makan fast food? Nah, kalau misalkan susah menjelaskan, gimana ya cara jelasin dia itu tidak sehat, kita cuman bisa bilang aja, no, it is not healthy. That's good. That's it. Daripada kita pakai kosakata yang terlalu susah. Nah, cara buat beginner untuk belajarnya adalah yang pertama harus punya cukup kosakata. Kata-kata basic seperti murah, mahal, cheap, expensive, tasty, delicious, and unhealthy, healthy, lalu food. Nah, itu kan basic ya, itu harus dipunyai dulu. Lalu yang kedua, kalau misalkan tata bahasanya salah, itu nggak apa-apa banget. Yang penting berani aja, Kak. Yang penting berani aja. Karena kalau lagi di kelas kayak gini kan nggak ada yang menilai ya, cuman Miss doang yang tahu. Jadi nanti Miss bisa koreksi kalau misalkan salah. Dan yang ketiga, jangan pernah berharap untuk membuat kalimat yang panjang dan bagus sekali gitu. Nggak perlu. Karena dalam bahasa Inggris sendiri, kalau kita ngomong sama orang bule pun, mereka akan menjawabnya pendek-pendek kok. Mereka nggak yang jawab kayak kantor berita panjang gitu, nggak kok. Selama mereka mengerti, terus kita bisa ngobrol, that's enough.
Oke, Miss.
Gitu. Oke. Let's try it again tomorrow ya. Kita besok ada kelas jam malam kalau nggak salah. Nanti kita coba bersama-sama seperti itu. Oke. Itu saja yang bisa saya sampaikan hari ini.
Oke,
Terima
Miss.
kasih.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming today. Good morning. See you.
Terima kasih banyak ya, Miss. Thank you.
Terima kasih.
See you.
Selamat liburan.